Let's do our next exercise to make a small one-way traffic light. First of all, drag your Arduino board. Okay. Now search for your LED. Alright. Here my red LED, okay, and my yellow LED, and last one is my green LED. Okay, now search for your 220 ohm resistor. Okay. Sorry. Search for 220 ohm resistor. Alright, my 220 ohm resistor. Now connect it to your negative end of your LED. Connect your negative end of LED to resistor, and another end of your resistor goes to the ground terminal of Arduino board. Okay, so short these two terminals, these two tracks also. Copy and paste your resistor. Right. Okay, now here's my ground from Arduino board. Alright, now connect the positive end of your LED to digital input output pin of your Arduino board. Okay, now I am connecting my green LED to pin number 6 of Arduino board. Okay, so let's change the color of wire to blue. Sorry, blue, and connect your yellow LED to pin number 9 of your Arduino board. Alright, and last, red LED, connect it to your pin number 12 of Arduino board. Okay, so that's it. Now let's do our programming part. So here's my programming part. Now I have connected my green LED to pin number 6 of my Arduino board, and I've connected my yellow LED to pin number 9 of my Arduino board, and last, my red LED I have connected with pin number 12. Now in our void setup section, I'll declare all these pins as an output. Okay, green output. Just copy and paste. Right, now just write yellow LED as an output and red LED also as an output. Now let's do our void loop section. Okay, now first of all we want to turn on our red LED. Okay, high for 10 seconds. Alright, 10 seconds. Then after 10 seconds I want to turn off my red LED and I want to turn on my yellow LED. Alright, let's say for 2 seconds. Okay, now after 2 seconds I want to turn on my green LEDs for next 10 seconds. Okay, now after 10 seconds I want to turn off my green LED and want to turn on my yellow LED again for 2 seconds. Sorry. Alright, now after 2 seconds I want to turn off the yellow LED. Okay, now it will get back to here. Okay, now upload your code on Arduino board. Now see the result. Now this LED will remain on for 10 seconds. Then after 10 seconds my yellow LED will remain on for 2 seconds. Oh, there's an error. I didn't turn off the yellow LED. Sorry. Okay, now upload your code once again. Okay, let's see the result. It will on for 10 seconds. The next LED it will on for 2 seconds, then it will get back off, and it will on for 10 seconds. Then after 10 seconds it will get off and turn on the yellow LED for 2 seconds. Okay, let's see our second sequence. That's it. Okay, my program is working, so that's it. Now let's do our next exercise.